Today I'm gonna talk about hair Botox. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana and today is the video that I'm gonna talk about hair Botox. It's not often on my channel I do any video about cosmetics or skin and hair care, but sometimes I do because some of the topics I find fascinating, at least personally for me. And today I'm gonna talk about hair Botox. In my last 4 or 5 latest videos, I received so many compliments about my hair, that my hair looks very shiny, very healthy, etc. And my hair naturally quite good and quite healthy, but this shine and beauty, it's because of the hair Botox. Any questions about the treatment? Once again, I mentioned that I'm not professional. I just can share my experience with you, or if you have any questions about the skin routines that I'm doing. And my skin is also not just delicate. No, I wouldn't call my skin delicate. It's actually quite different. My skin is combination skin. I have quite oily skin. I have very large pores. I have some pigmentation obviously on my skin due to the aging process in general. And I have dermatitis on my skin and on my eyes, so therefore I'm very selective of the skin products that I'm using. It cannot have any, perfume or anything, because it's very irritable to my skin. So if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using, please leave your comments below and I will share with you just on my personal experience, if any of you can relate to these problems that I have with my skin. I also do radio frequency treatment at home myself for my skin. As I said, I do microneedling, I do microdermabrasion. I have microdermabrasion machine at home. Once again, I do radio frequency at home. I do lots of things by myself to taking care of my skin. So if you're interested, please leave your comments below and I will definitely do more videos on my channel about skincare that I do to my face, body, hair. It's a new treatment. It's not well known yet, and this treatment is done at obviously hair salon. By no means I'm no professional, and if you're professional hairdresser and colorist, etc., please do not get angry with me. I'm just sharing my personal experience. I done this at the local salon in Toronto. It's actually located in city of Vaughan, and if you're interested guys, if you're from Toronto area or GTA area in general, I'm gonna link my hairdresser information in the description box below. This is not sponsored in any way. She's just my dear friends and I want to deliver this information and obviously support her. I'm using her services for the last, I would say, almost 12 years, and I'm very happy. She is very gentle and very cautious in any chemical treatments that happening to the, or that you're gonna do to the hair. So I highly recommend her as a hairdresser if you're looking for one with the high quality. So anyway, let's just talk about hair Botox. When I first time heard it from my hairdresser, I was, hair Botox? wow. And when I heard the word Botox, like, I mean, I'm 50 plus, anything with the word Botox, welcome in my vocabulary. By the way, guys, I recently also did video everything that I done to my face and to my body. I'm gonna link that video in the description box. I have a video also skincare of microneedling. I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. And if you want to see more videos how I take care of my skin and my face, because I believe I'm at quite mature age, and I think I look pretty good for my age. At least I try to believe that. Anyway, let's continue with the Botox. So obviously she says it's a fantastic treatment for frizzy hair. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna include also my pictures before the hair been treated. And normally my hair is a little bit wavy, and for me to make it like really smooth and shiny, I have to apply lots and lots of product. Otherwise my hair is very, very frizzy, and it gets frizzy easily. But I didn't want to do Japanese straightening, because I know for facts that Japanese straightening, though it looks great, it can damage your hair quite significantly. Not everybody, but there is a high chance for that. So she offered me this treatment. She says it's very, very healthy, it's good for hair, and obviously I'm totally up to it. So this treatment consists of several stages. First, obviously you have to wash your head. So she washed my head quite nicely, dried it up a little bit, then she applied the product. Then I was sitting with that product about 40 to 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, she washed my hair again and dried it again, and then she sealed the product with a flat iron. So after she sealed the product with a flat iron, like, my hair was so shiny, so absolutely shiny and so flat. I thought even it's too flat. But she said, don't worry about it, it will wash away, it's not going to be as flat. She said, after the treatment, I should not wash my hair at least for 48 hours, so to let the product actually settle in my hair. And she said that generally this treatment can be last up to 4 months, in some cases maybe 6 months. You have to use special shampoo and conditioner, and I also purchased mask for hair. So now I'm gonna include my picture when I washed my hair at home right after the wash without doing anything, how it looks like. Once again, I'm gonna insert the picture. And then after I style at home, obviously without any product, just simply airbrush, you know, and style my hair, I'm gonna once again include the picture below. Then I visit her in several weeks to do my roots touch up, and she took a little video of me, like, you know, doing my hair up and down and movement. And this is me with the hair after, I would say, about 3 weeks already, like, you know, having this product and using my hair, washing my hair, etc. As per today, it's almost yes, I think about 7 weeks, almost 2 months since I did this treatment, and it's very easy for me to style my hair. It takes almost no time whatsoever. I can just simply even wash it and leave my hair naturally. The waves more settled, they are not frizzy at all, and I truly enjoy this treatment. And I would say in 4 months, if I feel that I'm gonna need it again, I will definitely do this treatment again. So that's the secret why my hair looking pretty good recently. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel in general, please consider subscribing. As I said, the skin products, it's not what I do often on my channel, skin and hair products, but I will try to do as much as possible in the future. I really into fashion, I really into luxury, so if these also other things that might be interest to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I guess that's it for today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.